This message has been requested by the United States government. As of 7:42 a.m. a riot has broke out at the new Twin Towers site in New York in the Manhattan area. The riot group is believed to be a terrorist group, but this is unknown. This message will air on all TV networks and all AM and FM stations. This message will be updated as soon as updates are requested. This message has been requested by the United States government. As of 5:25 p.m., an explosive device has gone off 23 miles northeast of the Twin Tower. As of now, blockade has been established at the Twin Towers. We will bring you updates as they're requested. This is KWXB and we will continue to serve the Manhattan area. Stay tuned for updates.